Hello guys, today so everyone's here. Now let's begin. Open the C program first. Give it a name. Then save it. Then click finish. So after that, we'll start programming right now. So as you can see, I have used include std.h. It means include a header file which is standard input output. Then we have used the main. In Turbo C++, we use the void main as to create a space for the program in the computer. Then we use the curly brackets and then input int input. I have input m1, m2 and m3 and percentage in the end, by the way. Then we are going to print a message. As you can see, I have used a scanf program. It means it will scan the items in between it. It has a %d, comma, in inverted commas and then comma, ampersand m1, then close, then semicolon. We have used this to have the, just to say it like, we have used int in above, so that int is for int we use the %d in the scanf to scan the program. And then I have used printf again for marks 2 and scanf again %d and m2. So we have done it 3 times by now, or we are doing it right now anyway. As you can see, I have used after percentage word float. Float is for the value in the decimal points. We can't divide integer by integer in it, as int is an integer and percentage its form. We can't divide. The remainder will be 0. So we used float so that computer would consider the total marks to be float. Then I have used the percentage formula. Then I have typed printf again. This printf is used to type the answer, like in inverted commas, percentage is equal to %d, comma, %d, comma, per, percent, then bracket close and semicolon, and then we have closed the curly bracket. But in this video we are going to use if else, so I will type if here. First, there is a problem in the program. Can anyone guess what it is? Let me run it first. Yeah, you are right. The problem is I have used point instead of comma in the above M1, M2 and M3. So we are going to erase the point and use the commas. Now there is another problem in this program. This program won't run properly without it. Here, see, that's close program. Can anyone guess what the problem is? Tell me in the comments if you have found the problem. I will solve it without showing it to you. So start guessing now. Close program. Cut. Now I am going to pause. Now I have solved the problem. Just guess about it. Now we are going to run this program first. Now it's gonna work properly. And it's working. So now we are going to use if and else programs in this. After write this, type if. Then start a bracket. I'm gonna do the bracket from here because my keys are not working properly. Then percentage is bigger than 60. If percentage is bigger than 60, curly bracket start and close, in between printf bracket start and semicolon. First division, or you can say B grade or C grade. You can have as many as you wish, but we will learn about it later, not now. So first division, bracket close, semicolon close, bracket close, semicolon, uske baad inverted commas, semicolon. Always remember, have a semicolon in the end, but not after if statements. After the printf statement, as if we close this if statement there, it won't print anything. As you can see here, we have used printf. Then we type else bracket start printf bracket close printf, then in printf we will type second division, so it will print second division if percentage is lower than 60. So now let me run the program. And it's working properly.